Decoding English. Mastering the SVO pattern in complex sentences. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deeper into the world of English grammar. We'll be exploring the subject-verb-object, SVO, pattern, particularly in the context of complex sentences. Ready to untangle the intricacies of English sentence structure? Let's get started. Before we dive into complex sentences, let's do a quick review of the SVO pattern. In English, sentences generally follow the subject-verb-object structure. For example, in the sentence, John, subject, reads, verb, a book, object, we have an example of the SVO pattern. John is the subject because he is performing the action. The action he is performing, reads, is the verb, and a book, which is receiving the action, is the object. Now, let's introduce complex sentences. A complex sentence is a type of sentence structure that combines one independent clause with at least one dependent clause. The independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, while the dependent clause cannot. For instance, John reads a book, independent clause, after he finishes his homework, dependent clause. In complex sentences, each clause, whether dependent or independent, follows the SVO pattern. Let's break down our previous example. 1. John reads a book. John is the subject, reads is the verb, and a book is the object. 2. After he finishes his homework, he is the subject, finishes is the verb, and his homework is the object. The key to mastering the SVO pattern in complex sentences is practice. Try taking simple sentences that follow the SVO pattern and combine them into a complex sentence using conjunctions like because, after, although, etc. For instance, take these two sentences, Sally eats an apple, and she goes to the gym. We can turn them into a complex sentence like this. Sally eats an apple, SVO, before she goes to the gym, SVO. Understanding how the SVO pattern operates within complex sentences can help you significantly in mastering English sentence structure. Remember, the key is practice. So, start experimenting with combining simple sentences into more complex ones using this pattern. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.